Hi friends, this is ISHAN and you are watching ISHAN Tech Tutorials. In this video, I am going to talk about all the features and functions of JioMart. As JioMart has become very crucial during this pandemic because we don't want to risk our lives by going outside during this crisis. So it is very necessary for all of us to learn all the features and functions of JioMart to make the app more easier and convenient for us to use. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first you have to go in Play Store and you have to search JioMart. You have to click this, and I've already installed this, so I just have to open this. If you have not installed this, you have to install it from here, then you have to open it. So it has opened. Now you have to sign in from here. You have to enter your phone number and you have to click this arrow. So it's taking time. I have received the OTP. Let me enter it. After that, you have to click on verify. And your message will be displayed. You logged in successfully. Let's see the app. So the first thing that you have to set is your PIN code, or you will get incorrect prices for your PIN code. So let me enter my PIN code over here, and you have to click apply, so that you get the latest prices of your PIN code. Now let me talk about the features of JioMart. So if you click on the three dash, you will get home, shop by category, your orders, your account, help and settings, customer service and sign up option. So first let's see the shop by category option. From here you can choose any category and you can click on fruits and vegetables and you can see all the items in that category. And after that you can go to your orders and you can track all your orders from here. I've ordered many things, you can see. You can also track your orders, your order delivery date, order number and etc. And this is the your account option. Here you can see the payment methods which I have saved here. And you can see the order history from here. Your delivery addresses will be shown here. You can add new address from here, or you can modify your old address also. Here the options. And this is the my list option. You can give your grocery list over here and they will search it and you can order it after that from there. And this is the legal information of JioMart. You can read these terms and conditions which are written here. This is the frequently asked questions. You can also contact them on this number, or you can also contact them on this email ID. And they also have their WhatsApp number, you can see. And these are the questions: how do I register, login account related, etc. You can read all these questions and answers are also given in this. This is the contact us option. You can also contact them from this cshead@JioMart.com for communication structure. This is the WhatsApp number, and they are available 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 365 days. And this is the account symbol. If you click this, then you will see my account page. And this is your cart. You can see your products which you have added in your cart from here. So let's add any products and check. I'm adding this gold tea, this butter, this wheat atta. So you can see 3 items are there in my cart. Let's check them. So this is the items total, and this is the payable amount. Payable amount is 845, and MRP total is 930, but you will get a discount of 85 rupees on this. Realization you save rupees 85. You can also sign out from this button over here, and this is their customer service button. This is the facts page. You can also search a product from here. This what are you looking for button. Let's search non-alcoholic beer. So this is the beer you can see, and they are giving 50% off on this. You can see the discount from here, and this is the MRP, and this is the discounted price. And this is also so eligible, and you can add this to your cart from here. You can also sort or filter by discount, price, low to high, or popularity. You can also select categories, brands, or price. And you can see your app version over here. This is the app version 1.0.5. You can see all the deals over here. Best selling products at best prices, minimum 33% off products, minimum 25% off, 10 to 60% off stationery, and you can buy big, save big offers. And these are the other offers, you can read them. And these are the offers on daily essentials, you can see. And these are the top deals for you. You can also visit this site and see these all. These are the deals on groceries. And these are the household and personal care products. These are the top deals. These are the staples, and you can see all the exclusive deals for you over here. These were all the features and functions of JioMart. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.